welcome back to Varuni's Wonderland. Today, we're going to be doing maths with Varuni. So today I'm going to be explaining the timetable trick. So this timetable trick only works from 10 to 99. And to know this timetable trick, you need to know your 1 to 9 timetable thoroughly. So let's first try the trick with the 12 timetable. So the steps to the timetable trick is that you have to write the 1 timetable on the left-hand side, and the 2 timetable on the right-hand side. So the 1 timetable is known as the 10 timetable value. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 20 plus 4 is 24. So now we know that the 1 timetable is known as the 10 times table place value. So let's go on. 3 plus 6 is 36. 4 plus 8 equals 48. But if there's a 2-digit number on the right hand side, then you just have to add the 10 times place the tens place and the tens place together. So in this case, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then you add, and then you just put the 0 on the right hand side of the number. Same with this one. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then add 2 on the other side. So 7 plus 14, 84, 8 plus 16, 96, 90 plus 18, 108, and 10 plus 2 is 12, and add the 0, just put the 0 on the other side. So now that you know how to do this trick, let's see if you actually understand. So let's try it with the 13 timetable. So as usual, the 1 timetable has the same place value as the 10 timetable. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 26. 3 plus 9 is 39. Same as the 12 timetable. If you come to a two-digit number, you just add it with the tens place and the tens place, and then add the leftover number on the other side. So 65, 78, 91, and 104, 117, and last but not least, 113. So this is the timetable trick. But to make sure you understand, I have a little homework for you guys. I want you guys to write the 14 timetable and the 15 timetable using the exact same trick. And also, don't forget to comment down below how you went with the trick. See you next time with more tricks with me.